I needed to do a plank off with Lucy. We must have been holding over 2 minutes. And Lucy's whole body was shaking. And she was in tears. And she's going, it's hard to breathe. And I was like, Lucy, you can end it at any time. She was not going to end it. And we kept going. And I was like, oh. And then she's crying. And I'm like, I just want to hold you. Lucy, end it. So then I ended it. She won. She won fair and square. I mean, that child, when she decides to do something, I remember it from the cheetah chase. And I could just tell, like, she decided she was going to run the whole thing. And she did. Gonna do a plank off? Oh my gosh. See, I'm really stalling. I don't want to do this plank off. I don't have to win. She goes, you don't have to win. Right, you beat me last time. Uh-huh. Way to go. If anybody wants to do a plank off with Lucy and me, you are welcome to join us. All right, we ready? Way to be here today. All right, are we doing... All right. Here it is. So we started at 54:40, all right? All right, I'm going to go to my happy place. I'm going to think about the 100-year-old lady who just holds a plank for a long time. You're so stuffy, aren't you? This is how we do. To be fair, I did just teach an entire workout, and I did core. What were you doing when I was doing all that? Hanging with Leo? Yeah, having a good time? Cool. Yeah, that's good. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. We're going to our happy place. Where's your happy place? Let's see. A school that actually is fun. Lucy's incredibly bored at school, so that's what she means by that. But like, what's your happy place? You are really droopy. Was your belly on the ground? You're really droopy. If we're going by form, I win. I'm winning. All right. How you doing? Uh-huh. Let's see where we're at for time. Oh my gosh, we're at 56. So we've been a minute 20. All right. Whew. How did that woman do 8 hours? Or whatever. Was she 8 hours? Oh my gosh. Oh, butts in the air. I think that should be a disqualifier. This is how we do. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. Mm-hmm. When your leg touches, it's over. Your leg's almost there. Oh. 2 minutes, 20 seconds in. You're pretty dang tough. Nope. It's not 3 minutes till 57:40. I'm watching that leg, girl. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm shaking, girl. Ugh. How you doing? Ugh. Oh. This is, oh good, thank God. Whew. You did amazing. How is that 100-year-old doing 3 minutes? Way to go. You know what I thought in my head while we were doing that? You're only 7 and you're only going to get stronger. And you're going to give me a run for my money. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, that was hard.